Hello, my name is Kristaps. I am CEO and co-founder of Coreestate. We are at the project GREV55, located in Vejle, Denmark. Behind me is the property which ownership we have split it into 2,750,000 fractions written on the Ethereum blockchain, also known as GREV55 security tokens or digital shares. GREV55 property is a freestanding 5-apartment building complex. The building has 3 floors and a total gross area of 396 square meters, built on a 918 square meters plot of land. The building was originally constructed in 1912, modernized several times, and will be renovated to highest standards upon the token issuance. The renovation will convert the existing 3 apartments into 5 apartments, including a replacement of all windows, refurbishment of the interior, and installation of new electrical, plumbing and heating systems. The aim of the renovation is to modernize the building and improve its energy efficiency to today's standards, ensuring attractive and cost-effective rental properties for future tenants. As calculated by the gross rent multiplier approach, the renovated property value will be around 2 million euros. The estimated yearly rent collected will reach up to 70,000 euros in the first year and will continue follow market conditions. The location makes it an attractive area for families and young professionals to rent. The nearest bus stop is located just 1 minute away from the property. To see more about the GREV55 property and Coreestate, please visit our website or follow us on our social media. Thank you.